how they are being applied to our life situations. So let's say you're purchasing a plan for a smartphone and it costs you $35 for 5 gigabytes of data. It means that you cannot have more than 5 gigabytes of use. Otherwise, they will charge you with something. In this problem, it says that it will cost you 10 extra for each additional gigabyte of data used. So for example, if I will use 6 gigabytes, I'm going to be charged 1 gigabyte times 10. So therefore, if you don't know that value of gigabytes used, you will represent it as X. If you have 7, then 7 minus 5 is 2 and multiply that by 10 and so on and so forth. So therefore, if you are going to write the piecewise function for our first problem, and that would be, so your first data use is 35 and you cannot have more than gigabyte of 5 gigabytes of use. Okay, otherwise the charge will be $10 extra, so means 10 plus. Okay, plus x minus 5. So that means the for every make use, that would be 35, okay, plus 10 times x minus 5. All right, for anything that's greater than 5. Okay, for any use of data that's greater than 5. So 35 is fixed value plus 10 of which. For example, if I'll use $8 gigabytes, so that will be 8 minus 5, that would be 3 times 10 is $30 plus 35. I will pay $65. Okay, of course, if you're unlimited, that's nice, but let's say you're on a plan like this. If I'm going to make use of 10, so that's 10 minus 5 is 5 times 10 is 50 plus 35 is 85. So this is the piecewise now for our data plan problem. Now let's go to the tax problem. Okay, so in the tax problem, let's take away that. In the tax problem, a certain county has a tax code where 10% tax is paid on all income up to first 10,000. Okay, so our first piece, if you're going to look at it, our first piece is supposed to be, okay, our first piece is supposed to be 0.1x. 10% is 0.1. For anything that's less than or equal to 10,000. Okay? So, if, for example, my salary is $9,000 a month, I will pay $90. Okay? So, let's say my salary is $8,000 a month. So, I'm going to pay $80. Anything more than that will be on the next bracket. Okay? So, presuming that my maximum salary is $10,000. Now, on the second bracket, it says that I will have to pay 15% tax for any income over 10,000. Okay, so I already have uh, a fixed tax for 10% of 10,000. So that will be plus 1,000. For anything over, because this will be the tax for $10,000. Okay, for anything over $10,000, you will be charged 15,000. So therefore, I will have x minus 10,000 multiplied by 0.15. For example, if my salary is $13,000, okay, I will be automatically be taxed 1,000, and excess over that 10,000, I will be charged 15%. For example, if you have 13,000, my excess over is 3,000 because 13,000 minus 1,000 is 3,000, and I will be charged 0.15. That's $450. So I will be charged 1,450, provided that my salary is, it says here, is paid over 10,000 and up to 25,000. So therefore, it should be, my condition here, I don't have space, is x is less than, greater than 10,000, okay, 10,000, but less than or equal to 25,000. Okay, so it means that even if I will get paid 25,000, I will use this bracket because it says they're up to 25,000. So that means I will be taxed 1,000 plus 15% of 15,000 for that matter. All right. Now the last piece, it says here, any income over 25,000, okay, you will be charged 25%. But remember, okay, for the first 10,000, you are already charged $1,000. That's 10% of that. And excess of that is 15,000, and 15,000 of 0.15 times 15,000 is equivalent to 2,250. So 0.15 of 15,000, that excess over 10,000 is 2,250. Okay? And 10% of 1,000 is equivalent to 10,000 is 1,000. So therefore, if you are paid $26,000, let's say $26,000, you automatically be taxed 3,250 plus the excess over of 25,000. So therefore, this will be plus 3,250. Okay? And then 0.25 of anything over 25,000. Okay? Provided that its x is greater than 25,000. So it means that if, for example, my salary is $25,001, okay? So I will automatically be taxed 3,250 plus 25% of that $1, okay? Because, and then, so maybe 25% of $1 is equivalent to 25 cents. So I will be paying 3,250.25. Okay, so that's actually the tax rule. So again, the reason why we have this 3,250, above 25,000, you will be taxed 0.25, but this 25,000 is already taxed for the first 10,000 as $1,000, and the $15,000 will be taxed 0.15 of that. That's why we have a fixed rate of 3,250 for the bracket. So therefore, in summary, that would be our case. So 0.1x, as long as x is less than or equal to 10,000, 0.15 times x minus 1,000 plus 1,000, it's a fixed rate, provided that it's between 10,000 and 25,000, and anything over 25,000 with a fixed tax rate of 3,250, coming from 10,000 and 15,000 with their particular rates, and anything over 25,000 will be charged 0.25 percent more, or 0.25 more. Okay, so that would be the problem.